There is snowstorm in Japan. The snow was very bad. 13 people died. More than 1,500 people were injured. Heavy snowfall. 13 inches. 30 centimeters. 33 centimeters of snow on an area hit by the tsunami in 2011. Some were unable to work. Very many flights were cancelled. Quick is not easy to reach. Center to work at center of Tokyo. Strong wind damaged power lines. More than 20,000 houses have no electricity. The weather will get better. It will be warmer. Thank you for watching.